Choosing the right broker makes all the difference. That's why business and personal customers choose Synergy Car Leasing. Our award-winning team works with companies of all sizes to deliver tailored leasing solutions, from car and van leasing to our full fleet management system. We also offer salary sacrifice schemes that are simple, tax-efficient and easy to implement, as well as flexible short-term leases to suit your business needs. You can also save more with our great value used car leasing, perfect for business or personal use. We support you at every step with specialist guidance, personalised quotes and a seamless process. With nationwide delivery and ongoing support, we take care of it all. Whether you're leasing your first car or managing a national fleet, you're in safe hands with us.